Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Oyi kekere ya awe mi odo wa me yen mo yi TikTok. Oni opa ike ni amayu. Ebu wa mio wa ge pa wa din cause emi no rin asagin no. Gafi weri ago emi no ro asagin no. Gafi weri ago emi no ro asagin no. Gafi weki ago do wa na be mio wa ge pa wa din. Olayan asagin na TikTok ori la won mi ni ati TikTok. Sita lo yo egbe o tik o itik o talk sita lo yo egbe. Jama first lady we no we had do correct ma enu wegi wado o iwa hose yo was the worstest thing. You came out you just try to condemn them for why go condemn me ugui we mi ni awu ma Zevo wo kwoni wo iwa owe yo wo kwoni akia cause we meeting Nigeria you don't have right to go and do that, you know. So oye we nenia yana be oja 7 no heki and when the German first lady yawewe wota onuwe mana on we ri ladian we ri jewu ni ne. Oh God, we reach the full cover una rio sisi me una ga we do na yan gbe ba unu we mana ori yan gbo hani we ra so hani ma wu o wa ira gbon wo do na yan gbo hani ba de mi ogbanu ma tv ere we jiyan deti ejiyan gbin won de una we you urge everybody to also do the same video. Diyawu ni awu. Awo da fun we reme no je. So do da fun wo genu we je na ni e tu we awe gbere si gbin na ni a. Ku we ko da fun. No da fun we je ni kenu amiyan nu we mu rovie na nu we mu yaga na ni a. Eyan ga ibe so boy gbin na ni a. A en keni gbin na kere di ama swema o wa yan ye eti maro wa ya si gbina o igbeba na yan ya can't discuss it do ama you when the German first lady wa da fun you wa can't discuss we ga ni awe dienru were va dian ya mu ni ya mu ohun mera ohun meje the fact that we mo maro pa o wa you want to put the life of our people back home in danger. You want to cause them a wasigbin and iriere. Wawoda fun awo career. It was pacing me oka about them where we have the maniria media na marry anywhere you were a German first lady. Cause e ban we career media na wa. E ban ke kule wa ya ti ere the German first lady. E ban career e wa e fake news no mukia. E mi no masu no wasunu. Je o eme o dan la video mo ka tae. Wodo ka mi ma we ona yan gbe ba. Mayana ga brutal wa. Yan gbe yan rio jamadima cause iwa ogbe iwa onihin. But manadu amo we boy jiyan were gbe wa gbe wa. Unuwe mana mayana ya ti yan wa igbo kan ni wa mania Iruda wa pe won eyan na gbe wa So mana ahiagbe yo, knowing that ohana mawu. When a German first lady or daughter were ohani wune. The same you or you will be Latian, the way video, whether the family of the girl or call it when. Look at you, who are you deceiving? Boy, one we kissing him or bobbing or time we bed him or boy, we bear and they don't catch the rest of them. While they left for sponsor the case. Look at you, Ejinya threatening where ya kinapera, era where woman ya mwera vidin. The fact that we're given or ma wa or ya we dwave kina. Mama wa or you bet I'm telling you what that for. Why do sigbi na yedo wala wo wo so wa ni bunore we buna eyan agbe na redo wa mani we sie yo to we dian we wa ni rewe bo ruda wa reke ne boje a law German law this one law nothing they see you for road make they hold you ruda I holu we road nia we na mia we ekenana o love and the road or raw ekenana do ma ji wo de oro we tani ukata ne ohunu okpunu ukata ne I dey go they don't know where e German first lady where you make we marshal we make no where ohunu we daughter I don't feel talk and say I dey go Nigeria on the December 24 if any man I go wait for me if I not feel shook belle shook knife ohunu we tara abego oviesan no oviesan eyan walking oviesan no wazedo na mi mama deni ami je orun na meso akani oya ka oviesan yen kin Eviesan oje wa gwe German first lady igwan wa ka man no lawa wa ka man ya nere ya si eme yotedo ne ya si gbina yotedo Eviesan me oje wa igwe German first lady igwan emi niyen do ni a o ma ni a e ma wa tie ni anu wa gwe gwan Eviesan me oje where you were you lose Nigeria ne Buhari this Buhari that them okpan we matter Nigeria borrow pit you go back to your past video you have condemned Nigeria so far eba we are the why na area Ghana area Cameroon ella Nigeria because you people will not come here and condemn a place and later go back to whatever. You have condemned Nigeria so far. You condemn Nigeria. So what are you going there for? Again, where you are, December. But I advise you not go Nigeria cause where man is a dead zoom. You call it dead zoom. This one not the work. This one this that and you even talk nothing go carry you enter. Even back then when you are about they get you this go about you tell am say you do nothing wetin you wan come do for Nigeria sef you know they come again. So my sister, stand by your words. Mujayemenuta. Okay, ka border me where we are not very where you are, your man or push you where you can. A mother of 4 children, 4 kids are be 5. You are still behave as if we make we on door. That from where Otuove, if that give you the audacity, no higher rubbish here, otu no ma veji ebe no da fun were tu ni eje ma no be rotu o veji yan be mo ku igba ba na ni na ya gi owo kin ani adu rubbish otu no da fun weji digbi na de ama wa pelu mi video ni ugu yan gbe emi no wa o na ma ya fefe gu yo ebe ni aya treat o kan ni emi no gba enwan ka no ma se na be gbo ma ba ugu ayo very we bet you will take the issue to the extent u ga mu viere rovie de no ma u aka are ewe bo be sie meme a ewe bo be sie meme Chama first lady ikama we are mi u irare wewe ni irare morion we sikoto ayi si wo wa roda orisi ami enu we kan ami enu na we kan ona no wa mume sameda wenye ile webo we wa okay you dey ticket na you don already talk and say you dey go Nigeria the same owu no wan ri where answer where you are not going anywhere who dey go as not even the answer ujoidi amiemi la wo wie wo anything so German first lady change your way your character over sabi well is too much aleru agbona nairi opono over sabi well ogbe na and you have condemned many things on this social media. Do you know how many homes that you have broken? You have scattered many homes. They know where my wait do see bobo. Wait do see bobo. And I'm your dad from where do they bow when I wait till night is you bobo. You advise our women to leave their husband's house. Ni anti ogbalegbe no da fiyan. Yeah, wa call it we see wetin my husband do. You don't even try to make peace on that marriage. All your advice were what women bavore oh oseme ubiagu yero and you dey your own. We are ogu we wa advising ani unu gba we ti ogbalegbe no da fun we ni unu gba. How many times have you called Olakpa for your husband there? We have a where wife said there's so much dogba wife had you as a raw abi unugba we ti ogbalegbe no da fun we ya wa mu ezogre ti ogbalegbe portion and comot for house lala o wetin I dey use am do that kind man especially wa mio gbedu uran na so they lazy they no dey work they no good they no get character who you know ria ewa whereas we all weru we gbe ovievie ka boda ni ko ni we do as I marriage and I do ya seek advice for my fellow man like me. That means a man oweta seno woga ake woga. I'm not man enough. Yeah, I seek an advice when it comes to my marriage issue. That means a man seno ryoko when ya seek advice for your own marriage. Now be soon I never reach to marry. Never reach to marry. As a woman, you go to ask your fellow woman. They carry your marital issue. Go to meet her. I never reach to marry. Man, I still go dey do slay queen. So, honey, German first lady. So, why it here? Ajebogu, man. Okpoko nije. Okpoko nije watiere. Iranogi. Adazio man siesi. Ajebo. Awe. No gbewuge eri yen gwa gbe sokwe no ya obere ni a Agbon yari be. Good evening my sister. E yari yen we ye eke ije nogie e uwe wake platform mi we na avije nogie keka wo adazio man siesi e uwe ke platform mi we na o mama na ga ije nogie o mana bi adazio man siesi they no exist amu we ye do their diasporas ambassador. Then you are not selecting people to worship. Every megi audion we nania. Then edo ya iwe kesave skimiya ero wala ke destiny awe opoma dasio man siesi ehia gwanji. Then honorary people, common people, igwanyo. Anamiewe okpoko nije uwa ti anya. Emi me na de you obo teme ya wina teme me be abi ya mari be no e jemi ya wina teve po e jemi a teve gwa lo utere gi ekelu na re awina o ise be yan na re ge fun panu na wina e be ku we for never na mi we itian okpoko nije awokpoko nije eje nene mi eje no ere nu wa me ya gbomo eje no ere nu wa me ya gbomo tamame eje davije dije opara agbon na no ma ere nu wa me ya gbomo eje ya wa we no lane u no ro eje ya ere no ya wa ere no wa me ya gbomo so kwan we select je tian abije ni ti we ri account we re in support nene mi orphanage home ni mu gbo e we tian keke ara adazio man siesi ni a me na son sponsor mi no mu yoto. Is it by force to do orphanage home? If you are not on a matter, ọmọ na ẹkọ fún ẹkọ ọmọ na ẹkọ wà ẹfún ọfìànẹrẹ wà ẹkọ máa fún wà wà kí á fìàn náà wà yà mú ẹgbọ wà ẹwù náà wà ẹdùnmú jáyè máa gbé ní ara zẹrẹ wà yà mú ẹkíàn ẹrẹ nìyà kúwẹ ìyóbe wẹwùwẹ wọnyá foundation kúwẹ kẹ emmanuel viọkíàn ayéwi agbọn ìkókó kíàn kọsù wíwá rèé wọ. Eba we na we de card eba na we de dupon yegbe iro ni bi agbon zeni eba ku work bi e kani we ibe here orphanage ku work money wa ya na ya orphanage I sponsor wa ya hian o ma no me I will send you. Omano me gune owe orphanage home okay. Omane ko fun ofiane re. Ko ma fun we wu ya fiane re. Nana mi we abibi ogwe we de we iya exist again we gbera that's your man see abije nogie. My brother, change your way. Eri aya nyagbon na If you are ambassador of diaspora, both Iviogwe, Kekivia Adazeniro, you have to Ubonuya mu Iviogwe, Uveya Muava Dazeniro, Ubonuya Muadaze, Eya Muavi Viogwe Niro, and one seletian. One year, Menodian way, or Dohama Wevedene. Ajebo, the ambassador of diaspora. But who even ambassador, or you bokpa muye ya fe. Every indigent of those states, you supposed to use one hand. Bono ya monona we ya monokba. Anyway, what you are there for the rich people. Ave mani unya agman. Ave mani unya agman. Adazioma siesi. Iye boko nije ugati anya. We MC. MC. Ugati anya we live video. Ame nari video ekbo. Anye verio. Neme na via me bakwe. Ave man weti adazena. They were once they start from somewhere. Yama waknya dazeke imire. Re ni a imanu weti anania. Mami ni bunwo ni a ifa la yangbe. Ifa akola yangbe. Molika noro ni a ode secret ru walaye. Oda yi gbangban omagi ma Mami adene Monica to ekwa. Don't is our breeze go blow far onyas go open. Do to again in the Monica dayina, a secret in the Monica dayina. Eru wala sayi, eru wala. Monica ya blow niya. Mota Monica ya blow. Now she tell the move on. Mariere blow Umanarie mire blow Dieve gume. Overe goya move on. We go no fugbe, we go no sunwon Ave ego ne aye mi dan gwa ligo na duwe o ma gwa le gbe go very ho. So no wala Ajebo, Mr. Ajebo, na fiunyime wewe Obonu ya mwe aba dafen aba da dazioma siesi abo popo nije ya mwe ave common person e weje na ni etima ni re camp we man dia exist etima wa re camp ni the pastor we man Timani kuro ni waire camp ni rioja anya riudanu we ma ni ma hiokboko nije ni hiokboko nije ni ro ewe ke gabo dazio mani siesi ni ro ewe why those are the people you know you want to know utiam a live video where anye video we are those we all are those. Na very far ero. Na ya wo kan afian fwa. So oni obude ni dori enu evede na. E mare do rovio beti ware do bu wode. Do bu wode no la no try. No ayo bokpa mu agbon ya ira mi adaze o ma siesi mi ije noge no anywhere why live video then those are the people you concentrate on Lidiano re UK okpoko nije ije o ato o ga wona o ga ama ya tiewe Adazioma CC, you guide them, you fight for them. We ya gbe na na wa adazeni, we gbe na na wo vi ogwe ni ro. So, no evie do me. Let's go to the next statement.
Now you don't spend that many years for abroad. Which year I come? Which year I come abroad here? When you want to talk, are we age mate for this abroad level? You have spent more than 2 decades for abroad. Me never even spend one. I'm more than you. So which one do you want to tell me go come pay? If I like I put, I don't know how they put over here for it. Not be today. But I take fight for you. If I when people neglect you, am I not the one that helps you? When they want to buy you, when I buy all of them want shop you run, you think you can transfer your atrocity and evil to me? Then you got they use they pack load, they pack sweat. Pack and let all those you useless picking when you born. Men that they use their head, they not forget a man before.
Vera. What is Vera go, man? Vera, aware. You can't have my way. Why it's a bomb? The view man of when I be your missing, who sing you wa, we do be have a German man that is make it 8. Vera, what ye, ni vie refia wuyao. Vera, obiomo, ekwe na gbo viason, ekwe na gbo jason. Vera. Agbobu no pe no ma we ona nene mi ikata ina we tan on mu we ore mu enoge eke I do say ne I was egbe na mewa fonu wa count akwe ni awe do ladian aron gba ti we do mu we ladian na o settle wa bi jeki emena you no ta mi pe efo na ni you cannot deal with her alone. Una extend it to his own children. Emi no gba ni je Vera. They do work here tell matter. Eri work here ya mi ne matter. Una ro vivi by. Vera. You work here ya mi ne matter. Is this how to find the truth? By insulting someone's children. Wafunyim wana werie enyime dan onyima tosi no wanyime media na ema wo hia ju wase wa mo me make no hia mu wase ugbena no ma okay wa boy do gui. Voi can ye uwe, what can ye, voi una binane, what can ye uwe.
You are jotious. Adiotious. Nehuemo. Go and do the dinner, you are not running. Go to court now, you are not running. Because I said African German last lady, now they say la lama they lie. The same thing, all are two they do. Do you think you can shut my mouth? I share one on mama. Only one I don't bring the TOT come aside. Only you want many things a parties on me. The only one now you they talk now. Bring another new thing and bring it out. Bring another new thing out that you can use to love Vera. Say, hey, oh Vera. What they ask you now is different. What you are not trying to say now is different. Because people are not attacking you for the DNA, whatever. People are not attacking you. People are not attacking you for the DNA, whatever. You want to die, you want shock. You are coming out and pretend. People are not attacking you. Go bring the video you used to ask woman like you DNA. They are not asking you now. Go and bring your own. Go and bring your own. Go and take care of your brother when they pay when the day you came. Everybody go show. Even your bestie go show. You don't feel go anyone. Go and fear or go where is the festival? You sure? Where sure? They do normal like this. Yes. Let's be doing it normal like this. Who can be at the womb? If person not go school, does that mean that your brain not the work? Because you get bipolar disorder. So who say they're not well? So who they say the same person not well? Now your friend now calls your former friend saying that he don't fair cure you before you physically cure you again. He say our friend Lolo not go carry. You say yes, tell me they use body they find that one. I just only apologize for what I do to people because of you. Because I don't get head when I want to carry a load will not be my own. All the records you call me on YouTube, they are there. The one you call when you were thanking me and say, oh Vera, you are the only one that fought for me when you were praying for me. Who walk here and talk. Is there, it's on my YouTube channel. She goes the women. It's on my YouTube channel when you on my 1 year anniversary. When you called, when you were so oh, thank you, my darling. Now only you want to fight for me. Now I can't be bad, and now I can't the smell. Well, you must bring the DNA. You must go to court. Linus Super, how market? It is your fish shot my mouth. Linus Super, Linus Super. See the lie now, people shocked for the lie you just come out to talk right now. People were so the way you, why can't you say it the way it is? Yes. Why can't you say it the way it is? You say Laje this one, that one, not be this year, I can't talk of Laje. And two, when me tell leave you, not be this year. You dey colo, this is me and you they do that rubbish when person they talk, you know they talk witness. Who saga? You were saga, where you not saying me now with the Rikua. Wa be okay man ilé wa hia o wa. Abi de ni ma ni gbe ilé lo ba bola wa ya gbe. Where you not saying me now su wopo. Shebi na this year I was talking about in Nigeria, my people. Well, you think you can wash or use my brain, receive this song and then swear when they follow you. I bet use your head, take pack load too. Use your head, take pack your load. Well, pack and give your pikin the way you born, we never even know their papa. Go do DNA, you the run. The video when you do that doctor come outside say the time you sit down asking a woman like you DNA. You not reach your tongue, you say you a leader, bring it now, you are not running head and scatter. It's obvious. As the lady in Nigeria called that, when married that girl was on your honey, you don't even know get it in. Now yeah, boy in Italy said he slept with you, you come to dinner. Baba never come outside, you come to dinner. This one come outside, you not see it. See the lie you lie now. I've just played the record. If not God that I kept the record, where will I see the evidence to prove? I wish maths. Jesus. Oh, that your friend don't suffer. That your friend don't hear way. Oh my God. That your friend don't hear way. Busy for. Busy. I hear you, one mama. I hear you. I hear you, babe. I hear you. They never see video me say I piss, so I got drink, I got piss. I even hear money. After all, they don't even see my TOT for Facebook. You got the waka, they got the share up and down. I only make hear money. And two, they never say, oh, that man never come and say, let me go do DNA for people when I born. My own good now. Mona, follow me, my people. Yes. You say you get maths. Me have a time where we can clean up the leather. Can clean up the leather. Go and bring what they ask you. Papa, Wala, please. I told you once. Woman, I'll show you. I'm a pop baby. What's you, pa? Yeah, I'm a pop baby. No way. The belly of be like 5 people. You don't talk about me. Me, when you don't see me. If I wear ghetto, you wear ghetto, make me wear ghetto. When we come outside, who go find pass? I get 2 house for UK. All is counterfeit. Now squat, now they squat with people. Oh, Guru Beka, you tell me, I tell you. Now so you take this start for your friend. My people follow up this page, guys. If you never follow, you they miss. So try to follow this page, my people. Try to follow this page, guys, please. Tell you me, I tell my own. I come outside and I do apology, public announcement. Please, I want to be on my own. Since you know you are tired of me, there is no video you showed on me and you used to pursue me, or the record that you sent to me in all day. I'm the one that come out and say, please, I don't think I will do this anymore. Because I refuse to collect food. He said they swear. You just said they eat the food. They don't eat oh. Hey, yeah, also. If you get what you spoil the food they give them with the take. Why are you where you are? Why are you where you are? Back to center. Except I beg you. I call you, say, please help me. Now every way you talk will cherish my body. Now when you do birthday that day. You see, I refuse to collect that food from you when you do birthday this year. And I give you money. Almost €100. Now I give you, go and check your stars. Because me, who will you make one? Because I know I give you back. If you still eat my food, if I walk out, you go walk out with boy. I give you super chat. Go to your YouTube the day you do birthday. I give you star with my third YouTube channel. Vera comedy. Go to your stars. Go and do your research. I put up 100 cards. I give you back because no God forbid bad thing. I don't collect food from you. You be not get brief food before I give you money. May you know say I don't feel want drop you. Yes, you come me to come and carry, I not take. But that does not stop me not to give you money on your birthday. I give you back so that you go see you so help. Pack everything in the pack. You say you dey help us, but you say you don't help am again. It's like when you are beating this woman, you are taking her to court. We dey go here, we dey go here. Say he give you body, you beat. Now you are not running. You are not coming on media to be begging. You understand? So now why are you not crying? Why are you crying up and down? Busy for us. Busy. No, she said she never eats my ₦1. Now what did she talk? You when they come for you want me I block your head. She said she never eats my ₦1. You understand? She said she never eats my ₦1 one day. So when I go check in YouTube the day when they do birthday, this one on social media everything day. You not get say if you find a normal stand, you must definitely see it. You don't bring the food when I not collect before she do birthday. So when you go to YouTube, you will see it there that I give her after I refuse the food she said she want to give to me. I still give her money, but you claim you swear for saying you never eat my penny. Oh yes. Because when you go say, you see Papa cassava. Now better became it that one. Now better became it. Why can't they pay you? Because you are saying don't go me go to come and beg. I refuse. You send people, I will be playing the record very soon, the way they were begging. The way they were begging, please. Because I refuse. Now it can't come outside because the shame of DNA, whatever is coming out now. The shame of DNA is coming out. Now. You are not crying up and down. Shameless sheepgoat. All your details all will be out. Yes. Now you say the carry person they go court. He say he go with you. Now you they cry. But I not give her money. I don't want to consign you. If they like they give her. If they like they not give her. He not consign you.
Vera, odionware. Emi ogba we ni ka ma we. E ma we no lele madan we kon. We no o no mama nwina ave zuru ho. So the father to zuru ho. E ma da we bet. Hey, arrow ye la wo yo sa ba yan we. Wa vie mo you worry won. The more you worry, and I think you people should stop this friendship on media. It's not favoring us. My favor Ima. From the beginning in the life of Monica and Lolo, friendship it goes wrong. I even give up. I even know German First Lady and Mama Gladys friendship it go wrong. I will later do tie yona meme no pa mama adu ati secret egbe ladian. I even give up. No give godfather their friendship it go wrong. And adu ati secret egbe no pa room each one. You be no bad. There's so many things that friendship also go wrong. Now, I see many of them. I guess this friendship of media is hard time people put stop to it. Not be 5 minutes play, 10 minutes quarrel. You go close to somebody to know all his secrets. At the end, you come out, then you come out and fight the person. I mean, okay, wa. Kenati owa ne aiti owa, kenaveti owa ne aiti owa, wahala. Okay, senu wadwa do the media na okupunu no. Ona ogo si ore. So you were pretending with this woman since then to go there and collect all her secrets, everything. Now you are coming out to spit everything out. Spitting it is not the problem. My concern and the problem here is that you are still involving our children on it. Please, Vera Alawo, Imawenwe saga, read my lips. Find you. Leave our children out of this. Please, if you worry, you saw by me away. Mema obuwa ana miemi. Emi na ma miewa mode obuwa na mio. Mema mieke. Ema mieke ne. No ma we wina fune. Owe agbo ma no ma wina. Obuwa manamio, obuwa manamie. Omawu anawe good news. Obuwa namie omawu anagbe pada anagogo. Obuwa na remie awe wina fune oboga adu alilo ga takmen awe no gari unri na so adu security ya no ga adu atalo obuwa manamie ya abe mi dami na hulo forever obuwa manamio wala wo wa fi onye were so Vera la melodion we do yo sa oba eyan we take away our children. Warnia, my when well legon, a car no home waiva, a what day. A car no home waiva, a what day. And both of you are adults, none of you are teenager. So you people can do whatever that pleases you. Why moon can't go, moon gbegbo, only man kind man. But what I'm concerned about here, is those innocent children. Do rubia and one rubia by 1 year. Why vie more social media re. Why vie more you and wajina why and then I tell what you because they mean or kagma you want in boy on it. He said, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And the same thing, Junior Judah. Most people say Vera na, and still Junior Judah. And the same thing, imagine last time in Congo, the senior Junior Judah Congo the message Vera. When you know say na the same thing they are two they do. Abokpa ayafiyan eva hon. Awa gbobo no pe no ma. The finger that bites you, do not that fed you, do not bite it. Wala iwene no matter what. Manere abati guy. Can't you people see abat? Penny away Boston kuse ezorire dadore na kyore abati ma de media na no do tale mi ya ne Boston Boston do talo ma ne Boston we do aje media re me na abati tayen do aje bira bije tie bomo no the maturity no When I see I see when it's not by force. Making a friend is not by force. I don't see why people are using force to make friends. Osena is not by force. When you seek we meje as on odionware. When you seek yen sikoye. When you learn is level here. Ilenwe. Emi ya fefefe ya lenwe. I will use everything that belongs to me, even my nose, my breath, my beer. Oh God, you see this my beer. I go take run for you. I'll take cow, I'll bend justice for you. Eriono. That's it. On a my belly in my. Why no? We are on a fresh. On a my. Ample. No. Vera. Dokbo bodwe. Nla wo. Ima wenwe le lo da fon we kan o. Yan ma we winner. We ekwenye. Enye na ri obi. Oh God. We ari obi ne. Obe madam we. So kwa obi nu we ari eni. Na do ya ro obi o ma la wo. Orivier no. Please. Face their mother. Yes. Face a 1 year. Vera 1 year. Face just if mama ni in fact that was senuwa. Why 5 minutes what kind of friend be that? So if you are that kind of friend, don't just come close to me. The first place I have the woman was say. The woman was say, that means you came to my house to come and know my background, my information, how I used to live. Then when I get an ukba. No, area my maturity. I need them mature. Say what's an agui? That Vinaka unegbe, let him die. Why keep your yunwa? That dog is not by force. Omana do bokoli we wawo mana riku. My brother, that dog you know. Really solo what say was years Omano eto one tifuemu that's all. Egwan gberawa or he said wow that dog I found no because people will come and ask you what's years on what is now cool. They will come but do not open your mouth. When I have to investigate where they are investigating Okba, Wayara Ifanunune, there are the way so Walawu, do what was say, why ye Korean, ya was say, when why ye 1 belly, 1 leg in, 1 leg out. You wire, and then you now, you as a Vera, it's like you are doing paying back where you nani, where ye Kajo Janwe, etwena mweme wegie Kajo Janwe, wegi ego Kajo Janu wene. Why did you make her as a why do you work bikugie? Where bikugie to go and know her background, her secret and everything. Now you are going to fight back. Why don't you fight back? Egenoya lele wegbina, egenu where ya gbina. La nego ni sangiro ena werita na nero pari emesa eban we adota ro yoyo ma bere ya ne eri owo no na tell me what you want talk now. So you know all these things. Now you deal with am since then. Now you deal with am since then. They defend now. You the waiting. It pains me that we can't defend. You were there. You were a defender. Now you are not a man where you do layer. It doesn't make sense about you. That is senseless. If you were can't defend it, a man where you do argue. Oh, am I making sense, my sister? Eh? So, in our book, la vivre you worry. My word go. Because both of you are an adult. You can talk to her, but please, me as an odionware of the media, take away our children. Èyí mi dín ọ̀bẹ gbì ìbí wẹ́gùn. Ìyẹn ọ̀ka wẹ̀ ìyẹn ayé ìbí wẹ́ sùn Caritas, sùn foundation. Èmi náà máa rè náà. Don't have a double you because you abandon them, and she said that they want to help them. Every no, they will not my rovi wenia for a point of look. Here my rovi were that do not go and start insulting our children, please. They're not young way, not tamawe na. Very it's time for you people to know who is odionware. The only two people I cannot question them in this media. Number one, umenwa. Zeve. They two menwa. My boy, my big our friendship. I'm not a betrayer. I'm not a Judah. I cannot Judaize umenwa. No. I marry me or less than your Judah man. But for me to Judaize umenwa, I don't see. Imagine your no Jame Judaize unless you return around where you are Judaize your way. But for me, I can never Judaize him. I'm not a Judah. And a Judah be regbe, Risagima, Unie ni makere, my Judah, a Judah head in a veon. So, no. Number two, Onaga the Kokobiri master. Oh God. This husband to her single mother. Oh God. The area Bawo one. Because Limemana even like media. Those are Emanimewa Lily, but especially Uyedo talk show. Ewa Lily. Menu Waweme, Omanu Wawe like in Walile as a commenter. I was Ujedo. In fact, the ambassador of Uyedo talk show. Then I have a little bat, the movie, Kedoniewe, in here and do Zebara. But still, we are Ninia. I still thank God the life of her bat. She still is a man of integrity, you know. So those are the people. Aro Vani, Umenwa, and Uyedo talk show. Two of them. Whatever they did, I will never question them as an odionware. But any other individual person, I'm here to bonya. I'm here to bonya oriya as an odionware. So, no evia domain, vera la bobo, your wanoma we winner, who were ya, because you are a learner. We all know you were a learner. You went to there and una diabofu. Who were na to ya diabowa. We are better my way freedom. we wasan pania we ya gbo wa normal we winner my way freedom ye junior juda we wa my way freedom no why ati mania why ti odion we ti a king why ti a president why ti my way freedom man le run no ba ezo wa ya we ezo area ya we mi eri ma ya won so oni unigege we ne evera la wo ukun e fi e na ajozo wonia
out of live video. It's a winner. Oh, more Bamuno. No, it tell me look well, allow it down. Because of your mercy on my way.
The social media president Amasiyo Magbenu Wetani they said social media is a public domain. Nobody go to your privacy and start deliberate on it. When you bring your issue to social media, people will talk about it. You are not going to stop anybody to stop talking about wahala. That one are your pure lie. What your boy your care na ya sakwe. Media na re gwan kan. Etu wa na re gwan kan. Why mo eri media. So we not like media na re gwan kan wa onia.
Okay, don't want my way video, market video. Or when you get an attack with don't want to be I make it. I can go and do. Okay. Oh no. I put two on your ear. That's okay. Are you there? We are here on the way to go there. So, and where you take away, where did it? So this kind of something emofialization have to stop. All have to stop. Larry, why you can stop it? Now you must stop it. So Monica.
Oh, stop. When you told me you have blood test or send it. Oh, you're tired of it. Also, my wife asked you for 10 years. All tired of you. But when you give a talent, since last year, you know, almost 1 year plus. If I get a bit of them, or suppose you social, they pay. You know, and I have to pardon me. You know, when you certificate, you talk. So now we share my debt. You know, we share my life video. Who wish you had debt. All I live life video that I take here. Who call it not anywhere. And you know, and who really want you work with your head. Monica, who you have to follow. Yahweh blood test or say there is no time you go there. Go to doctor and take your J point. It's the only son you have. It's the only point you have. The idea tell you, fine. What can I tell you? Whenever you're back, another person is going to come out for you. Or time. Because online, what you clean on it. All you need to do now, take that
Ude Mwotare, Owoke president, the first lady. One year, president, took women of Wuhan, or lie here, wet is clean. When I have where you are going to stop people that they should stop talking about wahala on media. Tie boyo, tie nokba. Fa. I guess you go and learn, go and sit down, let your wife educate you. Your wife should tell you. My beg of you take over. First lady, Mao ugbenso we wadu agwe magwan other phone we the wedding yahu ni yore na ha we e man so si Morocco yan ke live video. It was suspect is president na dating and see okay live video. Mama, so I guess your wife should represent you. In fact, of a siakbo like school. Because if you not lie here, it's general public. Do you know what they call public domain? Oh God.